Oh, yeah. What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing good. And you guys already know, for this video we're gonna be doing something to the Forester. So you can see from here, as you can see, the tires are just a bit too thin for my liking. You already know that we gotta go aggressive for the XT. So with that being said, you probably already know what I'm getting to, and it's going to be spacers. Before I continue this video, I just want to reiterate that before you do put spacers on your car, do the research necessary, because if you don't do the research and properly install them, it's going to be a road hazard. So definitely make sure you know what you're doing before you put spacers on your car. With all that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so before installing any of these spacers, I also got some anti-seize and some Loctite for this. I got these just to make sure that none of these spacers will fail. Before you do mods like this, just make sure you know what you're doing. And before I forget, safety first. Unfortunately, it is now the next day, and the reason why is because my stock OEM lugs were too short for the spacers. So because of that, I had to wait for extended lugs right here. These are gonna work just fine, and they're gonna make the XT look so much better. Alright, y'all, one side of the spacers are on, so that's about 25 millimeters, about an inch. So that's before, as you can see, and this is what looks like afterwards. About an inch sticking out. Okay, so it's been a few weeks since I put the spacers on, and let me go and show you guys how it looks like again. As you can see, it's about an inch out, and in my opinion, it's a lot better, but that's how it looks like today. With all that being said, I do have something new to put on the Forester, and it is going to be some Rally mud guards. So these Rally mud guards, they are the universal ones for about 20 bucks. I was debating on the real Rally Armor mud guards, but honestly I just cannot justify 120 bucks for mud guards, so that's why I picked these up. And for the rest of this video, we're just going to be installing this bit, and hopefully it makes the Forester look more off-road capable. So before I begin, this is what I'm thinking about doing. So typically when people put these on, they will remove the OEM mud guards, but honestly I'm really liking these. What I'm thinking about doing is just find a way to put these on like this. I think it's gonna look a lot better like this, but let's go ahead and take these old mud guards off and see how they look. So currently trying to figure out where I want the mud guards to sit. And obviously I'm going to be keeping this OEM mud guard and I'm just going to put it on top. Definitely looks a little off without that OEM mud guard. Yeah, okay, so this just happened. Apparently some owl just came and shat all over my car. Alright, so now that we know how we want it, we're going to use this as a template for the other side. So let's go ahead and get that finished. This is taking way longer than I anticipated. Let's go. Alright everyone, so after several hours of work, we finally have the Rally Armor on. I honestly think it looks so much better with the Rally Armor on. And obviously it does make the car look a bit wider as well, which was what I was looking for. I'm gonna show you guys. All right, Rally Armor. So that pretty much concludes the video. Let me know what you guys think about the changes to the Forester. In conclusion for this video, we finally added the spacers and also the Rally Armor Universal mud flaps. Let me know what you guys think. And if you guys want to know what happens next to the XT, the 86, the Z986, or the 50, feel free to subscribe to the channel. And as always, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.